Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Alright guys, welcome in. We are making banana fritters today. So I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour right here. We're just going to get our dry ingredients together. And then it takes 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Alright, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's going to take a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Bam! And I'm using this organic ground Saigon cinnamon. I got that at TJ Maxx one day. I like it. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar right here with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to mix all that up right there. You ever heard of banana fritters before?
I never have.
Billy said he never heard of them. I have just because I saw recipes of them. All right. So now we're going to put in 2 eggs right here. 2/3 cup of milk. And a tablespoon of melted butter that I forgot to melt. So hang on. All right. 1 tablespoon of melted butter going in our liquid. And a teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon? Yep, teaspoon of vanilla. Or thereabouts. All right. So let's mix that up. We're not using a mixer on this. We're just using our hand stirrer today. And then we're going to use 2 bananas chopped up. Now, it calls for 3, but my motto, use what you got. I figure 2 is going to be enough. I've done that in banana bread before. It says ripe bananas. So, we're not going to liquefy them. We're just going to chop them up a little bit. Just like you would like an apple fritter. Except these aren't going to be as big as an apple fritter. We're just going to drop them by a tablespoon in our oil. Get your oil heated up. You use whatever kind of neutral oil you want to use for frying. I'm using some refined coconut oil. It has no flavor and no smell. So
Because we don't like seed oil.
whoops. Well, I got 2 bananas minus 1 piece, so it just dropped on the floor. Yeah, we use tallow or bacon grease. I fry enough bacon that we have plenty of grease.
Oh, yeah.
We got jars, liquid gold in the refrigerator.
Love that stuff.
Just gonna chop those up just a little bit more. Some of them.
I can smell them bananas.
All right. We're going to put them, let's mix up the flour mixture first. Put that into our liquid. And we're going to put our bananas in there. We'll fold them in. And then we're going to let this set while we get our oil heated up. We'll get our bananas in there. It's going to be really thick.
I can see that.
So it'll keep its shape when we drop it in the oil. Stir these in. Guys, I think 2 bananas is plenty. So, you know, if you only got 2, use 2. Because that's what I did. And see, it's not a whole lot of dough anyway. So I think it's going to be plenty. And then when we fry them and they come out, we're going to put some glaze on them.
Ooh.
Ah. So we're going to get our oil heated up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're going to make a glaze. And it's just a basic powdered sugar glaze. So I got about a cup of powdered sugar here. We're going to put in a little bit of cinnamon. Just a little. A little bit of vanilla. Ooh, that might have been a little bit, a lot. And some milk or heavy cream, whatever you want to use. And we're just going to mix until we get it the consistency that we want. I think I'm going to need some more. I got my oil heating up. Whoops. Keep it in the bowl. But you know I don't.
Wild woman.
I might have to get some more.
I think you're going to have to get some more.
Milk.
Some more milk.
Yeah, because we just want a glaze. We can roll them in there.
Got to be thinner than that, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. All right, so let's start off with putting a couple of these in there. Crank her up a little bit. That baby's hot. See these puffing up. It's going to be like you do. Oh, I still got it up. Like you would just hush puppies. Nothing extravagant, guys. Something simple. Use up your bananas if you need to.
Hush puppy, hot water cornbread.
Listen at it.
All the same.
Get that stirred up.
Mixy mix.
Guys, we got some hot weather today. We got 83 degrees.
It's nice out there.
Bill got a little bit of sunshine on him. A little burn. Alright, I see that smoking. So I'm going to drop that down in there. We're going to get another one. And drop that down in there. And we're going to put one more in there. Woo, look at that. Ooh.
Oh, I can smell that banana.
Let me get something to put those on.
And you could probably even shoot some cream filling inside the middle of it if you wanted to. Just saying, you know. Food for thought.
Ooh, they smell good. Look at that. I think I need it a little bit thinner even. You guys ever made these before or anything like that? You can use other fruit also.
Blackberries, maybe?
I don't know. That's a little runny. I don't know. Maybe some peaches dried off. Apples, of course. Ooh, these things swelled up.
I've been trying to get her to make some fried pies.
He has. Look at this.
Well, them did swell up, didn't they?
That baking powder in there.
Yeah. Boy, they smell good.
Show you what these 3 look like. Then I'll do the rest, and then we'll come back and run them through some glaze. I showed Billy some new lawn mowers that they have at Rural King.
Ride mower.
Zero turn.
Yeah.
And he sat on it, and now he's in love.
Yeah.
I'm out the window now. It's a riding mower, a zero turn.
60-inch cut. Maverick.
Bad Boy is what they are. Brand. Does anybody ever have a Bad Boy lawnmower?
Got Kohler motors on them.
Never had one, so we're not sure on how they'll do. But reviews seem to be pretty good.
I told her just run down there and pick it up for me.
Surprise!
They got them on sale for $6,000.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll be back whenever. Oh, here's what they look like. Look how big those are. Ooh.
Yeah. Let them cool off a little bit. Put mine on.
Yeah. All right, we got some of them done, and I just kind of drizzled the glaze on there. And you know, Billy's like, you can't just drizzle. You got to roll it around in there. Which I agree on this. So we gotta put some more on there. Turn them over and do all that. All right. So let's give it a shot here. There's the inside. You know.
Mm-hmm. That's all I'm saying.
All right. That is awesome. It's not real sweet. Because remember, we only put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in it. Alright guys, give this one a try. I've got 3 more in there, plus I have some here. And we're going to try and bake them too. Like maybe put them in a muffin pan and bake them instead of frying them. We're going to try that later. But give it a try. It's great. And I only use 2 bananas instead of 3. But I will leave the ingredients in that description box. I'll put 3 bananas, 2 optional. Alright guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow and hype. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show.